Hi, hello, welcome to mathsmedium. Today I came with the exercise 4.3 from practical geometry 8 plus ncert. Question is construct the following quadrilaterals. Here question 4 rectangle OKAY. This OK equal to 7 centimeters, K equal to 5 centimeters. Here are given two adjacent side measurements, but we have to construct a rectangle. We know the property of a rectangle. In a rectangle we have opposite sides are equal and other opposite sides are also equal, but in a rectangle we have four right angles at their corners. So at a point, let it be OKAY. So here we have OK and KA, but we don't have another two lines. But in a rectangle we know that is opposite sides are equal to each other. So here another property also, we have a four right angles. So by using this property we can construct a rectangle OKAY. Before going into the construction of a rectangle, we have to make a rough sketch of the rectangle. Then we will get the better picture about the construction of a quadrilateral, that is a rectangle. So let's move into the rough sketch. Take step 1 as a base, that is OK as 7 centimeters. This is the step 1, and KA, but we don't have an angle here, but we know that is right angle have 90 degrees. Put a protractor and make 90 degrees. Then we have 5 centimeters. Take the help of compass and make 5 centimeters arc. This is the point as A. Now from A, put a protractor. Again we have to measure the 90 degrees straightly. So we have A, and we don't know the centimeters, but in a case of rectangle we have opposite sides are equal to, so take 7 centimeters from with the arc, then make an arc. Here we get a point, meet these 2 points. Or else if you have to construct another way, make a protractor here, make 90 degrees, then we have meeting point at this, so we get a point Y. So these are, here we have 2 steps, but I am using angles here. So let's start step by step procedure. Before going into the step by step procedure, we have to write the given. So given OK is equal to 7 centimeters, KA is equal to 5 centimeters. To construct a rectangle OK. So step 1 is equal to, what is the step 1? Make a base. So make a base as OK is equal to 7 centimeters. So take the help of scale and draw 7 centimeters. So draw 7 centimeters, put a points at 0 and 7 and draw a line. So this is O and this is K as 7 centimeters. Step 1 is over. Next step 2, we have to construct a rectangle. So we have to use at a K. So step 2, take the help of protractor, make 90 degrees at point K. So take the help of protractor and make sure that the point must be at the where we have to measure the angle, and line should be parallel to the 0 degrees line. So put a 90 degrees at a point, draw a line. So this is a 90 degrees. So angle K makes an angle 90 degrees. So now we know K is equal to 5 centimeters. So step 3, make a line KA is equal to 5 centimeters. So from point K, make an arc with the 5 centimeters as A. So take the help of compass and scale and make sure that the measurement should be 5 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters and draw at K and make this as a arc. So we get a point here. So this is the point. The point is A. So here we get A. Now by using a protractor, I am using the protractor because of this is the case of a 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. So I am using a protractor here. So step 4. Take protractor and make 90 degrees at point A. So take the help of protractor at point A and measure 90 degrees as this and draw a line through these 2 points like this. So here we have 2 chances. One is like in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. You have to make a arc with 7.7 centimeters from A. Otherwise you have make a 90 degrees from O. I am taking as a protractor as a step. So step 5. Step 5. Make another angle at O as 90 degrees as a point Y. So now take the protractor. Here already we have 90 degrees. So here also we have to measure 90 degrees. So this is a 90 degrees. Put a point here. So here we get a point easily at O, but we have to make sure that construction, this is the meeting point of both lines. This is point Y. Here also we get a 90 degrees, but in case of a rectangle we have all points have 90 degrees. That is 4 right angles in a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So this is 5 centimeters. Similarly this is also 7 centimeters and this is also 5 centimeters. So finally we get a rectangle with a given parameters. So we constructed a rectangle with given parameters. So this is about the construction of a rectangle, that is a quadrilateral also, with a given adjacent sides, and I took a angles here, but you are comfortable with the arc procedure, that is a compass procedure, you may follow that. So this is about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.